So hello, welcome. So this is a Realme Buds 3.5 mm jack earphone. So you can see the size. Let me give you overview of size. This much, and you can see it's well packaged, and you can see the box is so small. So you can see. Let me show you the proper length. Let me give you overview of this. This is a Realme Buds 3, and it comes with the 9mm large driver, deeper and richer bass. There is a dedicated button for answer and calls, music and playback control for pause music and play music. Okay, HD microphone, I think. So let me broke the seal. This is important. If you are unboxing anything, make sure it has seal. So why I bought this? I think because of the I need a crystal clear vocals and with the good bass. So this is a good. I was using some earbuds, wireless earbuds, so they are not that good. So you can see what is this? I think this is ear tips, 3 pair. I think 3 pairs of ear tips. That's all. You can see the user manual. You can read all this. So if you want to read, you can read it. Oh, there's lots of stuff here. So this is our main product. Oh, magnet. Wow, cool. We can. Wow. So I think this is wait, let me feel it. Oh, I think this is the ear tips. I think 3 pair or 4. I think 3 pair. Let me. Okay, let's forget it. This is. Let's see our main product. So this is our main product. So let me unwrap it. This is good packaging. So this is good for if you are gaming player. So for gaming is good, and also audio and bass is very good as compared to the wireless, because they do have I think some noise and not that perfect, because they lose some HD audio quality when transfer data through. Okay, you can see this is the you can see the cable. Some is braided, up and lower part is braided, fabric cable, and upper part is not braided. So you can see that this is very cool, and I think that's all in this.